Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on my eye look that you see here with the Morphe 39S Such a Gem palette. I got this at launch and I really enjoy it. I'm also going to be using mostly my Morphe 507 brush. So I'm going to start off by going into the color Rocks On. And it's just a black with like these silver micro glitter particles in it, like silver and a blue shift to them. I'm going to use that to start laying down the foundation of my cut crease. Now I'm going into the matte color Make It Rain. It's a deep purple color, and what I'm going to do is go on top of the edges of that black and start laying that down, kind of like patting it in along the edge. Next, I am going to go into the purple color called Purple Majesty. And I'm laying that right on top of the edges of Make It Rain. Now I am going to go into this like pinky color called Pink Prize to transition all of those purples into my brow area. Now I'm going to take a little bit more purple, I think it was Purple Majesty, and try to finesse that color. Okay, so now I'm going into my lid with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to cut my crease. Now I'm done cutting my crease, and I like to take it under my eye as well for when I do my eyeshadow down there. I don't want too much fallout, and so this kind of helps with that. Now I'm going into the color Take the Crown. It's like a silvery, one of the toppers in the palette, and I'm going to start by putting that on the inner corner of that cut crease that I made. And actually, I think I might have changed my mind and decided to go into Total Goals. It's like a purplish, well, I mean, it's a purple blue shifting topper. And of course you can't see what I'm doing now. I apologize. So yeah, I'm going to lay that on the outer edge of the cut crease. And this color has such a pretty, like, bluish, purplish shift, like a blue and pink shift. It's a really beautiful topper. Excuse my cat, she wants attention. Okay, now I'm going to refine that outer edge of the cut crease with Make It Rain, and just blend that edge of the cut crease with the outer corner of my eye to give a better blend and transition. And I believe I also go through with the black Rocks On in order to help deepen the color of the purple throughout the transition and going into the under eye area. And I'm just going to keep on blending until it gets to the color and the hue that I really want. Alright, now for the fun part, I'm going to use a loose pigment from Sydney Grace Cosmetics. It's called Pistol. I believe it was discontinued, but it might not be. Oh, I was so messy, just spilled all of it. Lashes, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.